Hello everyone, in this video today I'm going to show you how to make money online and earn anything up to $3,000, $5,000 a day with a simple copy and paste strategy, just using a Google trick. This strategy is worldwide. It's absolutely free to get started and you don't need to have any experience at all, and I'm going to show you how to make money online, so make sure you keep watching until the end. What's up guys, welcome to Profit-Preneurship channel, and as you can see I post reliable content every single day to teach you how to make money online. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on all the notifications so you get notified every single time I post a brand new video, so you can have more ways to make more money online and you can be the first ones to know. So make sure you hit that like button, and if you're enjoying the video, please leave me a comment below. So watch until the end, because I have a very special free bonus and training for you to start making 6 figures online from home. So now let's get into this video. As we all know, there are many different ways to make money online. On this video, I'm going to show you a website that's going to give you so many different opportunities to make money online, because they have a lot of work available and you can do this while you're at home or at work, working from the comfort of your couch. There are so many different ways to make money online with this, and the best part about it is that I'm going to show you how you can automate this so you don't need to do a lot of work. All you need to do is concentrate on how to make money online, and you're going to love this one. So guys, if you come to this site, which is called moneypantry.com, now this is a fantastic website blog that somebody else created, and they will show people different ways on how to make money online. And I'm going to show you how to use this site over here to potentially make thousands of dollars. There are many different ways to make money online with this strategy, and I want to show you exactly how you can do this. This site, Money Pantry, is a great website where you can find out more information about how to earn money and save money online, so it will give you a lot of strategies, a lot of things to implement on your business that will help you to grow your side hustles, where you can have an extra income and be able to work from home. And you will guys find a lot of ideas actually over here. So as you can see here, it gives you the opportunity to make money and save money. So in addition of being a financial blog, you can actually see over here there's so many different articles. They give you the opportunity to actually write for them, and they will actually pay you if they like the work that you submit. So if you come over here, when it says contribute, you can click here, and you can read more information about over here. But as you see, want to earn up to $250 per post, right from Money Pantry. So this is actually a great website where you can submit your content and get paid for it. Another website that I'm gonna tell you is called textbroker.com, and I'm leaving this website as a bonus. You can as well make a lot of money on this website, but you won't be able to make as much money as in Money Pantry. So basically you will just come to the website and you select your country, and then if you want to sign up, you will just sign up, and give you two options. If you want to publish some content, or you want to earn money as a writer, either if you want it for you or you're gonna write it yourself. So in this case, you're gonna be making money as a writer, and then you will go through it. You will fill up all the information, and once that you log in, you need to actually build up your profile and having some pieces of your portfolio over there. So now you have a lot of two options to make money whilst you're writing online. So if you actually come to Google as well, you can see that when you say to Google ways to make money, actually Google is going to give you more options, and more websites where you can start earning money today as a writer. So this is really good. Another website is called Listverse, where actually this website is very, very good because they pay you even up to $100 per article, so you can come over here, you will see Listverse. These are articles that have been written for other people, and then I'm gonna show you how you can write these articles in no time. So as you can see here, if you scroll down, they're gonna ask you write and get paid. You click on it, and then you see get paid $100. You want to earn money online? Listverse was built on the efforts of readers just like you. So you can read through it, and then what you have to do is you have to submit your articles and then get paid for it. So if there are awesome opportunities to make money as a writer in 2021 working from home online, so this is actually very good. And then you might be asking, how am I gonna be able to create this content? So what you can actually do, you can come to a website to like Quora.com, and don't worry, you won't have to be doing any posting, but it's for you to get an idea of some of the articles that you could actually write. So when you come to Quora.com, you can search. If you're gonna write about health article, you can say how to lose weight in 3 weeks, or how to lose weight fast. And then you're gonna see a ton of questions over here where people have answered, they have liked, they have post comments. So what happens is, in some of these questions, sometimes you can even find links that it will direct you to the actual article. Once that you are directed to the actual article, you can copy the article and then take it to your Google Docs. So you can actually copy the article. Let's say, for example, you wanna rewrite this article, you could copy all the article, and then you could go to a spin writer, so you will be able to rewrite the text. So you go to a spin writer. There are many of them, but the one I use is a spin writer, and then you can rewrite the text. Okay, so I think it's this one. Yep. So in my case, I just log in, and then over here, just give you the option to rewrite the article. You can just get your text, you can copy it over here, then rewrite the article. It will take just a few seconds. Once you write the article, it's actually gonna give you some options, variations you can choose from. So for example, if you wanna go over here, you can just choose whichever you prefer more, and then you have that. So once that everything is rewritten, you just click on finish article, and then you will rewrite and copy all the information over here, and then go back to your document. You copy everything, and then go back to the document. Then you paste the information over here, and then obviously you have done all the modifications, so you should be looking everything how you want it to look. And then another option will be, if you go to tools and you go into voice typing, you can start speaking, and then for example, hello, so everything that I'm saying is going to be recorded, and then as I'm speaking, you see how cool is this? It will actually be typing for you. So you have both options, but once that you have your articles ready, guys, this is amazing. You can create these articles within minutes, then submit it to the different websites that you have talked about, Listverse and Text Broker, Money Pantry. You can start making money right away. So once that you build up your portfolio and you keep having more articles, you keep submitting those articles, and then it's gonna give you to make a lot more money, while you're working from home. So now if you want to get paid to write, this is an awesome site that you can come over here, sign up and register a free account. I just want to put it here as a bonus. If you like to write and you're gonna come over here to this site, there is a great opportunity for you to find very good writing dev content. So remember, we only need about 450 or 650 words, which is this article will pretty much cover. So just come down here, you have a look at the different articles available, and then choose one. You can use as well a website which is word count, so you can copy the text and just go to wordcount.com, and then you can put the amount of words over there. What you need to do is just come over to Google Docs and start reading. This is amazing. Okay, so obviously the transcription is not gonna be 100% accurate, so you might have to come back and make a few little tweaks. Easy money, guys. So these sites can pay you a lot of money. For example, Listverse will pay you up to $100 for every single articles that they will publish on this site. Over here, this is going to pay you really good money, you know, alone. So to do exactly the same thing, you just have to go create your articles and do them all over again. The more articles you submit, the more articles they create, the more chances of you of me making money. But what we'll be doing is I will be concentrated on interests that you like more, you know, so you can come to these sites like Money Pantry and then look at the different content they are interested in writing, and what do you actually call you to write, and then you can get paid to write and make very good money online. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching another one of my videos on different ways that you can make money online. So if you enjoyed the video and you like this type of content, make sure that you smash a like button, because this will really help to grow the channel and show you more related videos on the latest strategies on how to make money online. And guys, don't forget to get your free training on the first link on the description. This is a bonus for you, so you can get started and start making 6 figures on digital marketing as soon as possible. I want your success, and I will see you on your next video. Take care, guys.